Well, howdy, y'all. I'm pleased to announce we're having our first snowfall right now here. So it's time to gather some snow. We're making Cowboy snow pancakes. I need 6 cups of snow. I need a bowl with 1 beaten egg in that bowl. Add a cup of milk. Need to add a cup and a half of flour. I'm gonna mix that up until smooth. We need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. At this point, you could put in other things like fruit, like an apple. Time to stir 6 cups of snow into that batter. I have to stir it in pretty immediately because it's time to cook. Look how unique that is. Make sure you don't use the yellow snow. Let's make some snow pancakes. Let's flip it. These snow pancakes kind of look like crepes. Snow pancakes. I'm having it with a little caramel apple curd, as you do. Woo! That's a great pancake. And it's fun to do, especially with the kiddos. Give it a try. How do mountains keep warm? They put on their snow caps. Yeehaw!